An automatic watering system is the newest smart home automation system that takes care of your plants in your absence. There are many products available to choose automatic watering system, each with different characteristics, benefit and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best automatic watering system from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Upgraded DIY Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit. When you are not at home, the Moistenland dripping system will ensure that the plants at home are properly hydrated. It comes with a powerful pump and a timer. The pump provides your plants with a much-needed water. The system has a compact design, and the installation takes only 10 minutes. Compared to traditional drip systems, this system can save up to 70% more water and is available in black and white. Set the timer, schedule the watering, and you're done. It comes with a large LCD screen that is easy to read and a programmable timer with multiple functions like time daily, auto-save, and manual mode watering. The timer automatically saves the data once you set timer on, so here is no need to reset the timer every time you go out. The automatic water system has a two-way power method. You can either use a micro USB power or 4 pieces of AA batteries to power the system. If there is any USB fault and it stops working, the AA batteries will ensure that the pump keeps operating. Number 2. Rainpoint Wi-Fi Automatic Watering System. The Rainpoint Automatic Watering System can be controlled with the Rainpoint app. The app will send you notifications when your automatic watering plan is active or when the pump runs out of water. Before you purchase this system, you should know that you can only connect with a dual router or 4 GHz Wi-Fi. The irrigation plan can be customized according to humidity, weather, weeks, sunset or sunrise, or temperature. You can set the water duration from as short as 6 seconds to as long as 30 minutes. It also allows you to set the watering frequency from 24 hours or 7 days. The flow of water is steady at about 30 hour. The Rainpoint app allows adding several users to the family, allowing them to co-manage the watering system. You can even choose from 10 different irrigation conditions. For example, weekly irrigation, and irrigation with temperature, irrigation with humidity, etc. The timer also includes features like delay start, smart senses, etc. The watering system can accommodate 10 plants on max and comes with necessary equipment like a 32/8 FT hose, micro drippers, 3 types of bar fittings, and a USB cable. The only drawback is the lack of an LCD screen. Number 3. iPriro High Powerhouse Plants Automatic Watering System. If you have an existing iPriro watering system, it has an upgraded pump. The upgraded water pump solves the problems related to water pressure and ensures a strong water supply. It drips water at a speed of 80 ml/min. With the correct settings, the system provides a steady water flow to the plants. If you wish to control the water flow, you can change the number of drip emitters. The drip emitter comes in a voltage regulator design. It can water 15 plants at a time. Includes 33 feet hose, 3-way joints, filter, and a USB cable. The automatic water system stores its program in its internal memory. It has a manual watering mode but lacks other features like delay start, also an LCD screen. We appreciate that has a 2-way power supply, 4 AA batteries, and a USB cable charging. Besides, the digital panel makes it easy to read, and the 3-button system makes it easy to set. Number 4. Automatic Watering System. Yitika has developed an intelligent program for their automatic watering system that has gone through several tests in the laboratory. The watering frequency can be adjusted once in 6 hours to once in 15 days. The duration of the watering can range from 1 to 10 minutes. You can adjust the terminal's dropper similar to a faucet. The system is designed in such a way that you can assign different water levels for different terminals. The large LED and intuitive buttons in the system make operating the automatic water system quite easy. The system comes with a powerful motor that rejects the siphoning effect. There is no restriction from the water source, allowing you to keep the system at any given height. The growth of moss is prevented by the black tube. Number 5. 33 FT Tube Plant Self-Watering System. The irrigation system by Yitika helps you avoid flooding or overwatering your plants. The system is easy to install and comes with drip heads, timers, pumps, and pipes. It has a scientific design that allows you to save 70% more water in comparison to traditional sprinkler heads. You are just 2 steps away from hassle-free plant watering. The 2 things you need to perform are setting the watering time and water frequency. There is no need to reset the program as it gets stored in the system's memory, even when the power is off. It comes with a large LCD screen that makes reading and programming the system easier. The system is capable of watering your plants for 30 days in your absence. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.